This project is all about testing a new type of raw material for silicon solar cells. Traditional silicon has been made with a very energy-intensive process, but Elkem Solar in Norway have developed an alternative process that uses 1/4 of the energy and is also very much environmental friendly. And this product we have converted into silicon solar cells and is now testing here at the BVRIT Institute in Hyderabad, and we are expecting to figure out if the product we have been producing is actually performing better under tropical condition than ordinary products. We have tested this in the lab and it seems to be working better, performing a higher yield at high temperatures. So this advantage we want to study and to figure out if it really is something that we can quantify. Project manager from Elkem Solar Norway, we have contributed with the overall steering of the project, but also to provide most of the equipment, a lot of the equipment that is going to be used for this characterization, and to define and set up the test routines. What do we actually want to study and how do we want to study these things? So on the broad level, or the top level, we have been able to define the scope of the program, and then in collaboration with our academic partner and industry partner, we have been able to figure out how exactly to do this. The whole project is financed by the Research Council of Norway. Actually, I don't recall the exact number, and anyhow it would be in Norwegian crowns, but it is a substantial amount over 5 years, and that will be provided both to Elkem Solar and their internal evaluation, but also for the academic partner here in India and our industry partner.